Hey there muscle car fans, thanks again for watching Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. Today we're going to show you this fantastically black 1969 Chevy Camaro. The car with all its details is fully correct to an SS car, and we believe that it is an original SS. Although it's very hard to prove without having the build sheet or the historical data about this car, as is with all the Camaros that are for sale. Maybe 1 or 2% were ever sold with an original build sheet, and all the other cars are either clones or are original, which is hard to tell. But anyway, this car has all the correct details to be a correct SS cars. It's got the 350 engine, it's got a 4-speed manual trans, which is great for handling and driving these cars, but it also got all the other SS components. It's also got the SS dash with the built-in tacho, which was optional, and it's also got the gouges on the console, as you can see. The paint and the body on this car are very straight. The paint has a great deep shine. It's got the original hockey-style striping on the car, and it's got the bucket seat interior. The car is equipped also with power steering, power disc brakes, and all the other components that a real SS car should have. This car has been rebuilt and restored by us. The complete underside is highly detailed. All the chrome, all the glass, the rosewood steering wheel inside the car, everything has been either new or restored. So if you want a real nice car, that's probably a true SS car, and drives and handles perfectly and is also pretty fast, then this might well be your car. It just looks great in this color combination of black, and it's a color you don't often see on these Camaros. So if you want more information, please go online to our website at www.pedaltothemetal.nl for pricing, pictures, and more description of this great car.